lovely souls, and welcome to my channel, the Hierophant 1111. So today guys, we are going to be doing a reading on what is coming for us in the month of September. So guys, let's focus on the month of September, and this is going to be a collective timeless reading. So guys, whenever you find this reading, it will resonate with you. And guys, if it does not resonate or anything does not, please be peaceful and find another reading that resonates you. Okay guys, so let's move on and let's see what is going to come for us in the month of September. Okay, guys, I see a lot of cards popping out. Yes, few more want to come. Guys, let's see what is coming for us in the month of September. Okay, so what I see over here is a Six of Pentacles. I see maybe you get going for a get together or something like that, or family meet or something like that, and you're dressing up well and catching attention of people around, and like dressing up, clicking photos, and scaring people, scaring a special person, maybe your divine masculine, your twin flame, or your soulmate. They will get like intimidated by you, looking so beautiful and staying in your power while they are not around. And I also see the you shining bright as this golden pentacle in the month of September. I see a lot of like Queen of Wands energy, like you're powerful, you're in your power in the month of September. I also see you being a lot of caring, loving towards people. You are just showing your cup of love to everybody around. You're being very loving, you're being very caring, like a mother types. And this is attracting a lot of attention from other men, I should say, or other women, I should say. So this is going to be very intimidating and scaring to your person. I also see you being a planner, and in the month of September trying to fix goals and achieve goals, working hard to start a new financial business you wish to do, or you want to do a new job or something like that. So this is what I see for you guys. I also see you manifesting a new career maybe, or working hard towards a career that you have already started, a new career that you have chosen for yourself. Okay guys, let's move on and let's see what else do we have for September. Okay, I see a lot of crying on spilt milk energy. While you're seeing that what you have lost, you're not ready to see that a new connection or a new opportunity is coming towards you. Okay, there is somebody who wants to choose you, who wants to choose love, but you have a true love opportunity which you are not going to see, because you are going to be like, I'm done with this love situation. I wish to focus on my career, and I don't want anything to do with love around me right now. And now I've put my career on the back burner, and now it needs to gain focus again. So I see you not choosing love, but somebody else trying to choose you. Let's see what else do we have in the month of September for you. Ten of Swords, Magician. I see if you were hurt before, if you were you felt backstabbed, I see you turning into a magician. Okay, I see you holding all the tools, coming into your power, setting up goals, getting financial things in place. Okay, so there's lots of things coming for you. You are going to be practicing self-love maybe. You're going to be looking beautiful, you're going to be enjoying a family wedding or something like that. You're going to be shining like a gold pentacle. You're going to be you know, in everyone's eyes. You're going to be approached for love. Okay, so there's lots happening for you in the month of September. Okay, let's get some angel guidance. Okay, let's get some angel guidance over here for the month of September. Let's see what angels want to tell us, like what should we be focusing on, what we should not do. Let's get some angel guidance. Please guide, angels, please guide us and please tell us what do we need to do for the month of September. What do we need to focus for the month of September? Okay, I see a rebirth, end of an old cycle and beginning of a new one. So the angels are telling you, you know, do not fear the inevitable. Okay, accept it. Okay, so there are certain tower moments maybe happening for you, and you know there's an ending. There's, you have felt backstabbed, maybe you were hurt deeply, and now you're going to be born again in the month of September. So accept this, and you know you will be reborn. Okay, let's see, and what else do the angels want to tell you about the month of September? Creativity, communicate your feelings and express your dreams in a creative manner. Okay, so guys, you know, give priority to creativity in the month of September, and it will be really good for you if you could communicate your you know, feelings in a very creative way. If you wish to say something, you know, try new ways of communication. That's what I'm getting over here. Or if you want to, you know, like even if you are planning of a new business, involve creativity in it. Okay, let it be more attractive, more creative. Let's go on, guys, and let's see what is the third guidance that angel wants to give us. Mystery, a secret is about to be revealed. See beyond what is obvious. Okay, so guys, the angels are telling you that in the month of September, maybe a mystery, a secret is going to be revealed to you, and do not go for what you are seeing right now. Don't take things as it is, and wait. Okay, guys, wait for the month of the mystery to be revealed. Wait for, you know, things to be revealed to you, to be told to you in a direct manner. I don't think you should be assuming anything in the month of September. It's not going to be a good idea for you. So guys, if you liked the reading today, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111, and do not forget to press the bell icon, guys, so you do not miss any reading in the future. Okay, see you guys, see you tomorrow.